students. Today we are going to summarize important points in the chapters for the examination. First, study well the basic operation, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. We check some example question based on them. Okay, here question number 1. Negative 2 into bracket negative 3 plus 5. Here the operations of integers. Here bracket inside addition is the outside multiplication. Okay, this type question solving time, first we want to solve bracket inside. That means negative 3 plus 5 is how much? That is 2. Okay, so we write the second step negative 2 into 2. We know how to multiply two integers. One is negative, one is positive. The answer is negative. 2 into 2, 4. Answer is negative 4. Check the question number 2. Negative 7 minus 3 divided by negative 2 plus negative 8. Okay. To simplify this question, first we do the bracket inside problem. Okay. Negative 7 minus 3 is same as negative 7 plus additive inverse of 3. That is negative 3. So negative 7 plus negative 3 divided by negative 2 plus negative 8. Two negative integers adding type. We get negative, add the digit, negative 10. Okay. So negative 7 plus negative 3, we get negative 10. Negative 10 divided by negative 10. Negative by negative is positive. 10 by 10 is 1. The answer is positive 1. Next we check decimal based some questions. Okay. Here multiplication of decimal number. 12.25 into 7. Okay. For solving this question, first we multiply 1225 into 7. We get 8575. Okay. Here the question have two decimal place. So answer rightmost place, 2 place after we give the decimal. So we get the answer is 85.75. Question number 4. 12.25 into 0.7. Okay. Here the question total how many decimal place? 12.25. Here 2 decimal place. Here 1 decimal place. Okay. So without decimal the number is 1225 into 7. Okay. That we get 8575. Then total 3 decimal place. So answer rightmost place, 3 place after we give the decimal. Clear? Okay. Then we check one division question based on decimal. Okay. Same question 12.25 divided by 7. Without decimal first we divide. 1225 divided by 7 we get 175. Then question have 2 place. Before 2 decimal place is 2. So answer also needs 2 decimal place. Rightmost place count and 2 place after we give the decimal. So answer is 1.75. Next we want to check question number 6. 12.25 divided by 0.7. Divisor are also a decimal number. How we can do the division? Okay, numerator by denominator we write. Then first step, they change the denominator into a whole number. 0.7, only 1 decimal place. So only 1 decimal place we multiply by 10. Based on the decimal place we multiply 10 or powers of 10. Here only 1 decimal place. So we multiply into 10. That time we get the denominator is 7. What we multiply the denominator, same number we want to multiply numerator. Then only it balance. Okay. So 12.25 into 10 we get 122.5. Okay. Then division. Without decimal we divide it. That time we get 175 is the quotient. Then question have 1 decimal place. So answer also need 1 decimal place. So answer is 17.5. Next question number 7. Multiplication and division of decimal with 10, 100, etc. or multiples of 10. Question number 7 check. 5.03 into 10. A decimal multiply with the 10. Decimal place move to 1 place right side. Decimal right leg move ചെയ്യും. Into 10 ആണെങ്കിൽ 1 place. 10ന്റെ പവർ കൂടുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് place move ചെയ്യും. 100 ആണെങ്കിൽ 2 place move to right side. So here we got the answer is 50.3. 5.3 this point move to 1 place, that time 50. 50.3 is the answer. Question number 8. 7.005 into 100. So decimal move to 2 place right side. That time 700.5 is the answer. Then we check question number 9. Division question. 5.03 divided by 100. Division doing time, decimal move to left side. Okay. Here only one number. So to get 2 place we arrange with a 0. That time the answer is 0.0503. Next we check some addition, subtraction, multiplication and division based questions of rational number. We know all fractions are rational number. So rational number addition, we know to do the rational number, okay, actually like fraction. Okay, here the first question, addition 3 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Here look, here denominators are not same. These are not like rational number. So first step, change them to like. How we change them to like rational number? We find the LCM of denominator. Okay, LCM we find. LCM, we do the prime factorization and find the LCM. LCM is 24. Okay. Then we change each rational number with the denominator as 24. That time we get two equivalent rational number. 9 by 24. 3 by 8. 8 3s are 24. Same number multiply the numerator also. So equivalent rational number of 3 by 8 is 9 by 24. Equivalent rational number of 1 by 12 is 2 by 24. Then adding time, 9 by 24 plus 2 by 24. Add the numerator, 9 plus 2, 11 by same denominator. 11 by 24 is the answer. Next question, subtract 15 by 34 from 3 by 17. Okay, first the statement change to mathematical way. So from means 3 by 17 minus 15 by 34. Okay, then here unlike rational number we change it to like with the help of LCM. LCM of 34 and 17 is 34 because 2 17s are 34. Okay, so LCM we get 34. Then look, 3 by here 15 by 34 have no change because denominator is 34. 3 by 17 we find, we change this 3 by 17 with the denominator 34. 17 2s are 34. Same 2 multiply with the numerator. We get 3 by 17 equal to 6 by 34. Okay, so instead of 3 by 17 we write 6 by 34 minus 15 by 34. Then denominators are same. What we do? Subtract the numerator. 6 minus 15 by 34. How subtract this? Subtract means add with additive inverse. 6 plus negative 15 by 34. 6 plus negative 15 is negative 9. Negative 9 by 34 is the answer. Next one, multiplication question. Negative 7 by 16 into negative 4 by 12. Multiplying time. Multiply the numerator. Negative 7 into negative 4 divided by, multiply the denominator. 16 into 12. Yes, 4 and 16 have 4 is a common factor. Here negative 4 have 1 4. Sign also given negative 1. 16 have 4 4. Remaining, there is no common factor, so multiply the numerator. Negative 7 into negative 1 we get positive 7. 4 12s are 48. 7 by 48 is the answer. Next we check one division question. 3 by 8 divided by 9 by negative 12. Okay. In a division question, first step we change the division into multiplication with its reciprocal. Okay, 3 by 8 into negative 12 by 9. Division change to multiplication with the reciprocal. Okay, then we know how to multiply to rational number. Multiply the numerator 3 into negative 12 by, multiply the denominator 8 into 9. Then any common factor is there, we simplify it. Okay, 8 and 12 have 4 is the common factor. Here 2 4s are 8, here 3 4s are 12. So here sign is negative, so here negative 3, here 2. 3 and 9 have 3 is common factor. Here 1 3, 9 have 3 3s. Remaining 1 into negative 3, 2 into 3. We just rewrite it. Okay. Then numerator and denominator, this 3 is common. Here one time, here we get 1 with the sign negative. So remaining the answer is negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 is the answer. Next point is in chapter algebraic expression, addition and subtraction. These are very important. Then in the chapter exponents, laws of exponents and simplification questions. Then the chapter perimeter and area. To find the perimeter of rectangle, square, regular figures and any polygon, circle. Perimeter of circle is known as circumference. These figures study the equation and how to find the perimeter. Then area based, area of rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram and circle. Then its application level questions are there. These are very important. Okay, our revision is over. I wish you all the best for your exams. Study well. Thank you.